Hello, it's Sketchy Jesse. This is episode 2 of the jumpable lawn tractor build. So I'm just gonna weld on some temporary things to kind of hold it in place because I don't have any metal for the frame. But I'm gonna cut here as well. No, not there. Here, here, and here. And then plasma cut the back of the tractor off and then temporarily weld that on. So we'll be able to see kind of what it's going to look like when it's all somewhat together. All right, that was kind of sketchy. It's very temporary, so I'll be able just to cut it off, cut the welds off, but it's like, should be good. I mean, if I sit on it, it'll probably break. But yeah, it'll give me an idea how to make the frame. Thought I'd just temporarily put it on. I gotta pull this thing off. Look at how funny this thing looks. It's so short. There's nothing to it. So let's grab this thing. So this, whoops. This is gonna go from there. It's actually not so bad. Oh, I think it needs to go back a touch. Roughly. So I think what I need to do is cut here and maybe here. Oh God, you can't see. Okay, here and here, because this is the battery box. So it'd be nice to keep that. There's also like some things that go on. Nice little brackets for some stuff. But yeah, I just put that on and it kind of comes down here-ish somewhere. So I can't even get it on to see how far back to put it. So I'll cut that now and then see how it turns out. So we'll see how this fits. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Still want to bolt this up. Nah, that battery box has to come off. Oh, that's perfect. I'm just gonna go ahead and tack this on too. It does not want to sit. It looks temporary. All right. So the axle in the back, swing arm and the axle, is a little far back, but now I know that I can just push it forward when I build the frame. Look at this thing. So yeah, you can see it's got to go forward a few inches, but like it looks sick. It's a little skinny in the rear, but I'm gonna make some spacers or something. This is cool. And it rolls and everything. It's very temporary. I still need to make the frame, but I still need to figure out how I'm gonna do that. So I thought I'd put everything on and just tack it on temporarily and see how it fits. Yeah, this axle has to move up for sure. Sick. Let's put the engine in. Let's see what it looks like with the engine in, if the engine fits. So it's a little crooked, but it is a little tight. So maybe I'll cut here and here and make some kind of tube frame for it to wrap around while still being able to get the engine in it. And then I'll probably just tilt it up a touch with the mounts. Then I'll cut the intake, spin it somewhere here. Yeah, it's all gonna be good. I'm gonna leave the steering as well. Maybe I'll clean it up a bit because there's a little bit of play. But the steering goes from there to here. Underneath there's some gears, so I might be able to use that and make something to go onto here. That's later. That's easy. The hard part is the whole thing. Yeah, it's sick. So also, just to make it clear, I'm not leaving it like this. I'm gonna build a frame and make it super strong. So don't think I'm gonna leave it like this, because that's super sketchy. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is episode 2 of the jumpable lawnmower, the not so jumpable lawnmower. So yeah, thanks for watching.